Hello everyone, this is Rocco Baldassare and today we're going to talk about YouTube and YouTube views. There is a big confusion in regards to what YouTube count as a view, and for many people that do not manage as many YouTube campaigns, this could be very confusing. Let's get started by looking at the basic metric here that we need to use, which is the impression. The impressions are the amount of times your video ad is shown to a user. Now, whenever an impression happens on Google, it doesn't mean that you get the view. The view happens when you watch the whole video or 30 seconds of it, whatever comes first. The reason why views are very important is because, of course, a view on AdWords, in this case on YouTube, will be seen as a quality metric. A view is considered something good for your business, and it means that people have seen the ads, or at least they've kept the audio playing in the background while they were doing something else on their computer or on their desktop device. If you are on a mobile device, if you're watching a YouTube ad, user actually cannot change their screen because you cannot go out of YouTube and go in another app. It won't work unless you have, of course, YouTube Red. So whenever we are talking about views, we are talking about some very quality engagement, much better than the engagement that a view would count on Facebook. As a matter of fact, on Facebook, there is no such way as in making sure that the user watches the whole video. That's why YouTube views are still the best views for your videos. So whenever you go into AdWords, you will be able to break down your views by percentage of video watch. We have a 25, 50, 75 and 100% watch rate. Whenever you have a video that is basically 30 seconds or less, the amount of views corresponds to the 100% view rate number. This is because, of course, the view gets counted when you reach 30 seconds or when you finish the video, whatever comes first. So it is very important to keep that in mind because it is going to help you understand how your branding efforts are performing. So remember, anytime you work on YouTube, the views are never going to be equal to the impression unless you have non-skippable ads. It is going to basically be a very good practice for you to focus on optimizing for views and not for impressions. And remember that the cost per view is calculated based on how many people finish the video or how many people watch at least 30 seconds of the ad. This is also how Google bills for your video ads. So I hope that explains and clarifies how the view count works on YouTube. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.